Okay, here we have a Jet 10-inch Pro Shop table saw, 115 volt, 1 3/4 horsepower. We're fired up to show you that it does operate. The unit is used. It appears to be in good condition. Shows some moderate signs of use. A little bit of sawdust in there. We cleaned it out as much as we could. Here's your cover for your dust chute. It fits right here. Okay. Here's your legs for your extension table right here. And here's your rails that go on the side. Here's your fence. I believe you have to have the rails on in order for the fence to operate. Pusher, miter gauge, angle's 45 degrees. You adjust your blade height. All the mechanical and electrical functions appear to operate fine on this machine. It may be missing some assembly hardware and or other parts, and it's sold as is, and we thank you for looking at our product.